In this video, we are going to see how you can use the custom workflow action to automatically create a WorkDrive folder for any CRM module the moment a record is saved. No manual setup is needed for each record. For that, you have to go to Settings, then click on Workflow Rules. Here, you have to create a new rule. I'm selecting the Custom module. Now I will give it a name, like Create Folder on Custom Module Create. Okay. Now I will click on Next. Here, select the record action. Then click on Next. Here, you have to select all custom module records and click on Done. Now, from here, you have to select Custom Action. From there, select Create WorkDrive Setting, Easy WorkDrive. From here, you have to select Create WorkDrive Folder. Now you have to select a root folder here. I'm selecting my organization workspace. In the Team folder section, you have to select Easy WorkDrive. Now you can see the folders that are already available in the Easy WorkDrive extension. So you have to create a new folder here. I'm giving it a name like Custom Module and clicking on Save. Okay, the custom module folder is already available. So the custom module folder is created again with the date. Now I'm clicking on Select Folder. From here, you can click on the pencil icon. From here, you can give the folder name. To give the folder name, press Shift+3. From here, you can select whichever field you want to use as the folder name. I'm selecting the custom module record name here. Then, for Save Folder, select the WorkDrive folder ID field, and the folder ID will be saved in this field. Okay, so click on Save for now, and click on Observe Setting. Now give this rule a name. I am naming it Create Folder on Custom Module Creation. Click on Save and Associate. Now click on Save. Okay, our new rule has been created. Now let's see how it works. Go to the custom module and I'm creating a record. I am giving test as the name, and then I will click on Save. Okay, you can see that there is a WorkDrive folder ID, but it is empty now. Reload this tab. Now you can see that our WorkDrive folder ID is here. Now you can go to Easy WorkDrive in WorkDrive. Here, you can see that our custom module folder has been created. If you click on this, here is the new folder for our record. So this is how you can create folders automatically using a workflow. Whenever you create a new record in your custom module, the folder will be created automatically. Thanks for watching.